Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best solder for electronics you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many solder for electronics and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each solder for electronics so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a solder for electronics. The first thing to look for is the composition of the solder. Most electronic work uses a tin lead or lead-free alloy, and the right mix ensures strong, reliable joints. Next, consider the diameter of the solder wire, as thinner wires provide better control for small components. Another important factor is the flux core type, which helps clean metal surfaces and improve solder flow. You should also check the melting temperature, since lower melting points make soldering easier and safer for components. Additionally, quality and brand reputation matter, as trusted brands often deliver consistent results. Lastly, store your solder properly to prevent oxidation and maintain performance. Choosing the right solder makes your projects cleaner, stronger, and more efficient. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.